Hey there, and welcome back. Thanks for joining. In this video, we're going to continue our discussion of stubs. In our previous video, we went and generated a very simple stub decoder. In this video, we're going to expand on that, and we're going to create a simple encoder-decoder structure to show you how malware authors typically generate and encode and decode the executable that they want to obfuscate. Again, thanks for joining. Look forward to seeing you on the other side. So as we talked about in our previous video, we took a coding stub that was already base 64 encoded and had a function to decode it. In this one, we're going to add some functionality. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it and be discussing the code. So in this first statement, we're going to be importing the base 64 library, which we need in order to encode and decode, much like what we had in our previous video. We're going to then add the new functionality, which is our encode stub function, which takes a stub and then encodes it and returns it. Pretty simple, but just something that we wanted to really dive into. Next thing is we are going to pretty much do the decode stub that we had previously. Again, a function, but instead of encoding, we're going to be decoding it and then returning it. Now we get to the fun part of everything that we are going to do in this very, very simple example, but still it illustrates how malware authors can utilize code stubs to obfuscate and bypass those static analyzers. So let's explain a little bit. I'm going to define my main function here. My stub is hello 0x Tyson, much like what we had before. That's going to, as you see, be a print statement that gets encoded, then decoded, then executed. Added a little bit here as well, because I wanted to show what actually happens after we call the encode function, that we're going to see the base 64 encoded string of print hello 0x Tyson, decode it, and then execute it. So let's give it a shot. Hopefully it works. Boom. We have here, as you see, base 64 encoded string of the print statement. We then execute that print statement to get our hello string back. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.